Y'all see that logo right there? One that they headed to our dealership. Look at that, guys. Those are Jeep Wranglers. No, Jeep Renegades. Oh, I know he ain't about to make a U-turn and go back to the dealership. Look at all those Jeep Renegades. Those cars still selling, guys. Those are baby Jeeps. Y'all know FCA got out of the... In fact, most car dealerships got out of the four-door sedan business. So, you got to have something for the young people, the guys that's freshly starting to drive. So, what they come up with is a small body SUV. Look at those babies. Alright, Jeep Renegade. That's a truckload of them too. I don't know where they going. I don't know if they're going to the dealership. I mean, that's all Jeep Renegades, so they're obviously going to somebody's dealership. Alright guys, I'm headed to Advanced Auto, I want to say. I have some things to do, man. Y'all remember I was looking for... I ain't having no luck finding an air tank, guys, so anybody out there know I can find. I don't really want to order one unless it's free shipping. That thing kind of heavy, and shipping might be more than what the air tank worth. So I'm gonna try Harbor Freights and Northern later, but for now I'm about to go into Advanced Auto and see if I can find me a hose tool. I need that tool with the pick, guys. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the radiator hose. When the radiator hose has really been on the water pump for so long, or the radiator for that matter, it's hard to get it off. You need a little pick. All right, the radiator hose tools, where you're trying to break the seal between the hose and the item it's connected to. In my case, water pump. I cannot break the seal for nothing, so I need some kind of pick tool. I had one, but I have no idea where it's at. I bought one from Northern. It was a 2-piece pick set. I think I loaned it to somebody. Go figure. I haven't seen it since, so I don't want to have to drive way out there for this little corny tool. So I'm gonna see. Did they move their tools? Yeah, let me see. Guys, there's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with tools from a parts store. Especially, I say this all the time, especially if it's got these my two favorite words. Where's the word at? I'll show y'all the word. If it has this on it, there's absolutely nothing wrong with buying them. Where's the word I'm looking for? Where's the word? Right here, guys. If you see that, there's nothing wrong with these tools. Well, as far as, you know what I'm saying, you can, if it break, you can get another one. But they obviously put some thinking into it. This is what I'm talking about. Dang, I didn't know these was $9. But yeah, this is what I need. I had a nicer one, a smaller one. Like I said, I loaned it out. I ain't seen it since. I can just quickly purchase this one and not worry about driving way out to Harbor Freights. I definitely don't mind getting these little cheap tools from Harbor Freights. However, yeah, I get these all the time. This is a nice little set right here, boy. All right, I'm done. I don't think last time I was in here, they didn't have an air. I had to borrow one of these the other day, guys. I think I should go ahead and get my own. But I won't do it for right now because I'm gonna need one of these guys to go over my valve lapping video job I'm gonna do. I have a head sitting on the table. I want to go for my young cats that you young guys, I don't know if y'all gonna get to experience everything some of us veterans did. Y'all not really building engines anymore, guys. But young guys, it's something that will stick with you forever. So I guess once you do one, it will stick with you forever. So it's best to get your hand wet. But the future, I don't see a future for engine builders, especially at shops. Most shops taking the risk out of everything, man. They taking a risk out of any kind of major repair. Transmission, the transmission shops nowadays, Amico transmission, places like that, guys, they are simply just replacing your transmission with people they have contact with as far as transmission. You know, they have an independent transmission builder place. Okay, they are no more than R&R men. And as you know, most anybody can R&R a transmission. Amoco used to be known for rebuilding, overhauling your transmission. The dealership used to be known for that. But now the risk has outweighed the rewards. So they making me. I was the transmission guy, what, 6, 7, 8 years ago? Yeah, any transmission work came in, give it to JT. I was overhauling transmission left and right. I haven't done one in so long now. I'm not even sure what my tools to do them. You're never gonna forget. Well, you're never gonna remember. Everything will come back to you if you're in the middle of building one and you get stuck. Everything, if your brain is functioning and you semi-healthy, fairly healthy, you will remember everything. You know what I'm saying? Everything you learned in the past. As far as I got this music playing. I hope YouTube don't knock me off monetized because Beyonce all loud in the background. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. This is all I'm gonna get. Just wanted to run that by y'all while I speak on that that truck full of nice pretty dot Jeep Renegades. Renegade. I had a recall on the Renegade today, guys. Some of the older models, none of the new stuff. Some of the older models having oil consumption issues, so they're making us do oil consumption tests in the form of recall. Look at this, guys. They're getting fancier and fancier with this stuff. All right, guys. Beyonce's killing me in the background, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Let me go pay for this. When I find out who I loan mine to, I might make them pay for it, because that don't make no sense for me to have to buy something twice. In fact, I hate when I have to do that. Y'all know what I mean? Oh, these little stores here, man, they be here. I got this already. Guys, when these first came out, $50 off the truck. It's just a nice cutting tool. And Mac, I haven't seen a Mac man in so long. I lost mine, so. But don't worry about it. Things revolve. We're getting around the AC season coming back around. Hope y'all ready, fellas. This is a nice tool to have. Don't just stick Freon in cars. Just let them go. Stick some dye in them, find that leak, fix it right. Alright, so, alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna pay for this, and I'll see y'all in the next video.